Who put that on this, sir?
How to prepare wet balls. Remove from shell. Add salt. Add enough pepper.
My God!
What the fuck is this?
Stir and enjoy.
So somebody couldn't tell me all these years, say. I wet balls me a suck.
Alright, now me just done cook. I want to know for your ask. Yo, my G's.
Properly dressed. You feel you're properly dressed? You want a cocoa tea bag with a straw of milk. You don't drink bag milk. It seems like you want your bread butter. I want me come butter it to you. Cause one of the back party night just dry all of a sudden. Want butter your bread. Butter be yeah.
The two of you deserve each other. Because you all look like two fucking soldier crabs. Bye.
Drop me slip, no man. You ain't married a woman out. Drop me skirt, man. Time is going.
Yes, the skirt is proportion.
It's not right, Brother Thomas. It's on the floor still.
They want to
You're crumpy, man.
Stop reminding me, me never have 7 grand. Me don't know how uno find 7 grand at this year COVID time you for go party. Me never have 7 grand. Uno stop reminding me, so me never did that yesterday.
But here I was all this time thinking they were Bill Gates when they were not even Bill Fence.
I'm not going to lie right now. Before, in the back, I was just looking at your face, but you have a nice body. But wait, let me have to block out your face. Me don't smash your body, but you have a daddy face. You have like your...
Listen, I'm pregnant now.
Mary!
Joseph, calm down. Joseph, calm down.
Who breed you?
It's complicated.
Hey, girl, you tell me say you're a virgin.
Yes, because
you tell me say you're a virgin.
I am a virgin.
I look at dirty mechanic, me see you flirt with the other day.
What? Joseph, no. Ew.
Who do it, Mary? Who breed you?
I gotta breed me.
God, hey, girl, you want me licking at your... Me look like idiot to you. Me look like idiot to you. You can't manage my penis. Oh, you gonna manage a God penis.
Hello, look at furniture, man. Don't start with me.
Forward, we're going to clinic.
Hello, for what?
We're going to abort that.
We're not aborting Jesus.
What?
Listen, out of my fault. God choose my good up.